everyone. I'm the one-eyed patriot. This is my first video. I hope you enjoy it. Preparedness, something we should think about. Life was going pretty smooth overall. It's never been an easy road for any of us, probably. I'm very thankful to be alive. I thank God every day to be alive. But I will tell you, we see shows nowadays about people being prepared, prepper channels and such, and different shows on television about the future. Sometimes it's could be rather glim if you'd let it be. Homeland Security suggests that we all have 72 hours of preparations available just at any time should some kind of a disaster, whether man-made or natural, should come our way. Back in, I think it was August of this past year, I just went in for a routine eye exam, and during that exam the eye doctor basically told me to seek specialists for a detached retina in my right eye. Talk about being prepared. Well, I wasn't for that. So 2 days later I went to a retinal specialist, and that specialist said, Lee, you're eating up with eye cancer, and as a result you have to go to Emory Hospital. And Emory, of course, said, we're taking your right eye as soon as possible because you're eating up with eye cancer. The good news is that was all the cancer I had was in my right eye. So you're looking at a walking miracle with a fake right eye prosthesis, which is the most modern medicine that they have nowadays. So I don't see out of my right eye, but you wouldn't know it unless I told you. Now you'll know it because you'll be looking for it. But actually, I've been told it moves. Probably does. So it's a miracle, science. And I want to give a kudos to Emory Hospital for their help and for all my friends. When I was at home, though, recovering, I got on YouTube quite often, and I would look for things about survival and different so-called man toys, things like flashlights and gun reviews, fishing reviews, outdoor things, tents, backpacks, bug out gear, just things that I like. And as a result, I came across several good links. One of the people that I really enjoy watching his videos is known as Sooch, S-O-O-T-C-H-O-O. He has some very good, sensible survival ideas. He does a lot of gear reviews, things of that nature. There are many, many others. But at any rate, Sooch suggested that goinggear.com had a wide variety of flashlights, tactical and otherwise. So I went on the site, but you're dealing with one-eyed guy, right? So I must have hit the wrong button, and I wound up with my nice JETBeam BA20 flashlight. I think it was under $40, and it came in yesterday. It's 270 lumens, and I was kind of bummed out because when I found it and opened it up, this particular one, which I thought was going to be for lithium batteries, was for AA batteries. And it's not a mistake on their part. It was just probably an error on my part. So I put the AA batteries in, and by the way, there was a piece of paper in here from the factory. So you have to remove both ends and kind of push it out, or you won't be able to get your batteries in for the first time. And so I've been playing with this thing and dropping things. I've been playing with this thing since last night, and when I got it, and my wife got home, she looked at it and I knew it was going to be hers. But anyway, the AA batteries are easy to pick up anywhere, especially during a survival situation. You can buy them just practically anywhere. Lithium batteries are great, and there's an application for those as well, and I have several lithium lights. But this little AA is, let's see what it says here. It says it's impact resistant, it's waterproof, and submersible to 2 meters. The beam distance is 133 meters, and the peak beam intensity is 4,400 CDs and 35 hours of operation on low beam. So far I've noticed it has a high beam and a low beam. And this right now, I don't want to blind you, but I could. It's that's high beam, and then you just turn it down and it goes into the low beam. And this thing will light up a room. I'm telling you, this is an awesome tactical rig. And it's no secret of mine. I'm a realtor, and maybe an unconventional realtor, because I actually I go out, I'm on dirt roads, I'm walking in the woods, I'm a proponent of good outdoor gear, because I use gear. I mean, if I get lost in the woods while I'm looking at 100 acres of land for a client, I need to get back home. And things like this will help me do it. And I just wanted to say that if you're looking for a good flashlight for under $40, goingear.com. The JETBeam B20, what a flashlight. And I just wanted to say I appreciate the opportunity to live in a country where we can have free enterprise. We can speak what we want, freedom of speech. I firmly believe in the Bill of Rights, the right to bear arms, and I want to say, get out there and vote this year, will you? You may not always agree with me on the way I vote, but it's our patriotic duty to vote. And so I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope I did okay. And I guess you gotta start somewhere, right? So have a great afternoon, or if it's nighttime for you, have a great night. Talk to you soon.